Yeah.
Envy, you dancing?
Yeah. Light half here.
Are you dancing?
Half here.
Sure is. Hey, silly girl. Silly girl with the, don't look, don't touch my foot.
Wait.
More cake and ice cream? Mmm, good stuff. Envy. Envy Ray. I know, I know.
Y'all coming over.
Are you taping?
I am.
Yes, that's awesome.
Dance with your blue.
That's right.
Give him kisses. Can you give him kisses?
Can you see the sparkle?
Say
You know who's gonna love this? Aunt May May. Can you say Aunt May May?
Yeah,
What you doing? What you looking at, Mama?
This is getting YouTube today. Look at that smile.
Was that your butt?
It sure was. I'm right here at it. But yeah, you grabbing your booty?
Yeah.
Did you go stinkers? Did you go boom boom? You are so cute.
Oh yeah, Frosty kiss the princess.
Narr. Say hi to Megan.
Hey, Megan.
And anybody else that for some reason be viewing Tabby Luther's YouTube channel.
And Tabby's friend.
Not so much. Probably complete strangers that are like, this isn't the Sarah and I know. Well, this isn't Sarah either. This is Envy eating blue. I don't understand why this angle. I'm running out of time. I was about to get the other kids. Saren, can you dance? Do sprinkler. Do the sprinkler. Oh, that's kicking. Sprinkler? No sprinkler?
She's all like, yeah.
That's me. Oh, then she does a sprinkler. Go figure. Oh, look, there's the cake and ice cream.
Did you hear?
Tristan.
Why would you do that?
Oh yeah, no, get the swagger face real quick. Yeah, I'm on movie. I'm on movie mode. What of it?
What's that?
Where's Ethan? Where's the birthday guy? There's Aunt Heather.
Last time.
There's what's left of the cake. Hey birthday guy, say hello to my best friend Megan, because this is gonna go on YouTube in like 5 minutes. Just say hi. It's my birthday.
Hi, it's birthday boy. Birthday boy.
Wow, no enthusiasm. You're not gonna talk about your awesome cake.
Come on. Birthday boy.
We had a campfire. Remember, I said epic. I used the word epic. I don't like that word.
He's been a little cocky, but all day and just now.
Like, my birthday was grand and I know it. Don't need to express it. Man.
My birthday was.
My birthday was epic.
My birthday was epic.
Say, my birthday was bomb epic. Super dope awesome.
My birthday was bomb epic super dope. Awesome?
Yes. oh, say word.
Word.
Do like a gang symbol.
Word.
Oh yeah, no, that's perfect. That is so white suburban, typical, perfect.
No, it's real Mr. Parker's feeling.
Pretty good.
Word to your mama.
On the fire? Mama! Mama!
On my hip
Mama!
and on my hand.
Mama!
What's the second?
Hi Aunt Heather.
What's up?
It's a movie.
Mommy! It's a movie! Mommy!
For Megan.
I don't know her house.
Mommy!
Are you guys gonna dance together? Look, Envy's already as quickly as her sugar rush came and is gone and she's tired again.
Yeah. Hey, Megan.
Saren.
Hair?
No. Cap! I'm the birthday boy. I'm wearing glasses.
I'm the birthday boy, I'm wearing glasses.
And they're pink! Hey, shut the
How'd you see? Oh, in the window.
Ooh, he has mind powers.
Mind power.
I'm Megan!
Look.
Yeah. Mommy!
Darren, you gonna dance? Why do you have the watch on your foot? That was
toe watch.
toe watch. Can you do front flip?
Toe watch what?
Oh, like a, okay, alright. I can, sweet. Yeah, leg watch. Alright.
Leg watch.
Leg watch. Uh-oh.
Leg. I'm watching it.
Alright, I guess that's enough videoing. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Megan.
Bye-bye, Megan.
Say
Blow
bye-bye,
kisses.
Megan.
Bye-bye, Megan.
Aww.
What's on her leg? Oh,
It's a leg watch.
leg watch.
That's what she says. Leg watch.
Bye-bye. She's saying bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Envy.
Say bye-bye.
No, no.
Wait, you're trying to get off. No, you're just
Get her on the floor and let her walk. Megan would love to see that.
Oh, yeah.
Hurry. I don't know when this is going to die. That's why
She's
I'm...
got her blue.
Hey. Look at there. There she goes.
Say yeah.
Yeah, look at her curly patch, Megan. Out of all that hair back here, it's curly. You see that? those are bottles of water.
That's her favorite blue teddy bear named Blue.
Brody. Brody. She loves Brody.
Kind of looks like she has a bump on her head.
Hey, Brody. Nobody likes you.
Huh?
Sarah. She can't come in?
She just like,
Oh, come here, baby.
Right out of mine, and she was like
Come play with Envy.
sitting on the couch, and she was like